Hello, my loves. Okay, this is going to be pages 201, 202, 203, and 204, and that is lessons 99 and 100. Let's go ahead and get started. Multiplication in vertical form. So instead of writing it horizontally like we've been doing, we're going to write it up and down. This is how you're going to see it probably for the rest of your life. So just get used to seeing it up and down like this, okay? Solve. Complete the sentence. 3 times 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is 6. So 3 sets of 2 is 6. These are the different ways that we wrote it in the past, and this is our new way of writing it. 2 times 3 is 6. Okay. How many dots do I have up here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 dots. So 5 times 6 is... What is 5 times 6? Anyone know? 30. 5 times 6 is 30. And we write that up and down. 6 times 5 is 30. Very good. Picture the fact and solve. 4 times 5. Okay, let's do this. I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4 dots across the top. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots down. And remember, you need to fill in the rest of those dots before you count them. Okay? So we have 4, 8, 12, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I lost it there for a second. 17, 18, 19, 20. We have 20 dots. So 4 times 5 is 20. Let's do number 4. We have 2 times 5. Okay, so I put 2 dots up here. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots down. Now I still need to fill this line in because I put a dot in that one. So 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 5 is 10. Write a fact for the picture and solve. Okay. How many sets of pencils do I have? How many sets of pencils? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 sets. And how many pencils are in each set? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 times 5. Well, we already answered that one right up here. 6 times 5 is 30 pencils. Good. 30 pencils. How many sets of buttons do I have? 2. How many buttons? Whoopsies. There we go. How many buttons are in each set? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 times 8 is, take a guess, 16. 2 times 8 is 16. Very good. How many sets of marbles do I have here? I have 1 set. And how many marbles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1 times 10 is 10. Good. Let's look at the back. If you need to use a calculator to do this, I am totally fine with that because I haven't had you memorizing facts yet. So that's okay. Number 1, we fill in our array, we write it horizontally, and then we write it vertically. Number 2, you have to draw 6 sets of 2. And for this one, 4 bags of 10. And I do want you to do the time for review on this one, okay? I do want you to do the time for review. Let's look at page 203. Problem solving multiplication. Solve and write a sentence to answer the question. There are 8 watering holes in the savannah. There are 5 elephants drinking at each water hole. How many elephants are drinking water? Well, the way we would write this is 8 times 5 equals what? Well, if I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my gosh, do you see now why we like to memorize multiplication? We don't want to draw it all the time because it gets really boring. If you need to pause the video and make 8 groups of 5, you can do that now. Okay, let's count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So wouldn't that be handy if I just knew off the top of my head 8 times 5 is 40? Way easier. Okay, how many elephants are drinking water? 40 elephants are drinking water. 40 elephants are drinking water. If you need time to copy that down, go ahead and pause the video now. Otherwise, I'm going to keep going. Mr. Jones planted 6 rows of corn. Each row has 5 plants. How many corn plants does Mr. Jones have? This one I'm going to do like an array. So Mr. Jones planted 6 rows of corn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Each row had 5 plants. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now remember, I have to fill in all of those. But again, it would be a lot easier if I just knew this off the top of my head. And that's what we're going to be working on. How many corn plants does Mr. Jones have? Well, I have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So 5 times 6 equals 30. Mr. Jones has 30 corn plants. Period. Again, if you need to pause this, go ahead and pause it now, or else I'm going to move on. Julie has 2 fish tanks. She has 4 fish in one tank and 7 fish in another tank. So let's draw our 2 tanks. She has 4 fish in one tank and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in another tank. How many fish does Julie have? Now, you would be tempted to try and multiply here, but they're not. They're trying to trick you. They're asking what is 4 plus 7? Because they do that sometimes. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, Julie has 11 fish. Julie has 11 fish. If you need to copy that down, go ahead and pause. The Bible camp has 3 canoes. Okay, I'm going to draw 3 canoes. 1, 2, 3. Only 3 campers can fit in each canoe. How many campers can go canoeing at the same time? Well, I have 3 canoes, and there's 3 people in each. So 3 times 3 is 9. Good. 9 campers can canoe at a time. 9 campers can canoe at a time. Oops, I gotta get that out of the way. Solve. Write a multiplication equation if possible. Okay. 4 plus 4 plus 3. Well, this 4 does repeat. So what's 4 plus 4? What's 4 plus 4? 8 plus 3 is 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. Now, we really didn't have any multiplication in that. We could have said 4 times 2 plus 3, but you're not there yet. We haven't done order of operations that heavily. What about number 6? 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. So we have 4 5s. We have 4 5s. So we could say 5 times 4 equals 5, 10, 15, 20. 5 times 4 equals 20. Do I have any repeating numbers on this one? No. So what is 7 plus 6? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So that one I just have to add. Let's flip it over and look at the back real quick. Okay, they have 3 word problems that you have to draw. And I don't want you to do the time to review on this one. I just want you to focus on these 3 word problems, okay? And number 1 says, Mandy saw 5 bird cages at the pet store. There were 4 birds in each cage. How many birds did Mandy see? Number 2 says Sarah took 2 plates of cookies to school. She had 10 cookies on each plate. How many cookies did Sarah take to school? And number 3 says Tom sorted all his toy vehicles. He has a box of 6 cars, a box of 4 trucks, and a box of 5 race cars. How many vehicles does Tom have? Remember, you can do this. Just keep looking at the front. Use what you know, and you've got this, okay? Good luck, guys.